Do you like potatoes? I absolutely love potatoes. I mean, who doesn't? I used to say that people who you cannot trust people who don't like French fries or pizza or both. I mean, really both. If they don't like both, you don't even let them in your house because they're probably vampires or aliens or something like that. No good. So, potatoes, okay? This way that I'm gonna show you how to make them. It couldn't be easier. It couldn't be more rewarding, more, oh my God, everything. Simple to make, okay? With simple ingredients that put together in a different way, make like this delicious potato. So let's go to the recipe. First, you need to boil some baby potatoes. We're going to actually parboil them. Now, you always add cold water and cold potatoes, I mean room temperature, so they heat up all together. Because if you heat up the water first and then drop the potatoes, they're gonna start cooking unevenly, and that's not good, okay? Don't forget to score the potatoes if you're cooking them with the peel, okay? Because otherwise the salt, which you're going to add, and we have to add a lot, it won't penetrate in the potatoes. I think it's easier to cook them with the potatoes, with the skins, and then peel the skins later. It's easier, they will almost fall out of the potato, but you can choose, okay? Just don't forget, if you're cooking them with the peel, score them with a fork or without the peel, that's fine, but then add salt to the water. All right, now that you see they're partially cooked, you will see that because you're going to stick a knife into them and they will offer a slight resistance. Don't overcook the potatoes because they will fall apart, disintegrate, lose its shape. It's going to be delicious, yes, I mean, hello, of course, but it's not going to be so pretty, okay? If you overcook them, remove them immediately from the hot water and put them in an ice bath, okay? So the ice and the water, the cold water, is going to stop the cooking time, the cooking process. All right, so now we're going to add butter, of course it's vegan butter, to a skillet, some olive oil because the olive oil will prevent the butter from burning. Because remember, olive oil smoke point is much higher than the butter smoke point. What happens to the butter is that you don't only have oil in it. Remember, you have milk solids, okay? In this case, it's a homemade, I have a recipe here, butter made with soy milk. So the solids of the soy milk and the lecithin or whatever it is that you put in your vegan butter, it's going to burn. And by the time you add your vegetables or whatever you add into the butter, it's going to be burned already and not good at all, trust me. Unless you're making brown butter, which is a totally different recipe. Now you add the potatoes, and on medium, high heat or medium heat, depends on your stove, you are going to fry them, okay? And you move them around so they cook evenly, so they fry evenly and get golden and beautiful. Then add salt and pepper. And now, just to complement everything, because who doesn't have garlic? Okay, sometimes I don't, okay, I must admit. And many times I make recipes using garlic powder because I'm out of garlic, and also because sometimes garlic in here where I live in Gran Canaria is too much, it tends to be too much. But add chopped or minced or crushed garlic in the recipe, okay? And then stir everything together. Only 40 seconds, okay? We don't want to burn the garlic. And then add any herb of your choice. In this case here, I'm using parsley because parsley and garlic and butter and potatoes, they go very well. But in the winter, make that with the fresh sage. Finely chopped fresh sage, it's amazing. Or rosemary, or both, especially for Christmas. And this is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you have loved this recipe as much as I do. I love it. And let me know if you make it on my Instagram. Take pictures and send it to me and tag me at Chef Jana. I love when you guys do that. I love when you add your spin to my recipes. That's why I'm here for, to inspire you. So when I see that you are inspired and sharing the recipe and making for potlucks or barbecues, oh, by the way, this recipe is very good for a barbecue. Hello, isn't it? So yeah, and follow me on my social media. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and head over to my website for the full recipe, measurements and everything. And I'll see you next time. Love you. Bye bye.